Good morning everyone, I am Sarfan Alam Saithi and welcome to Digital Logic and Circuits presentation. I am here to talk to you about bridge alarm system which notifies other navigational officer or master of the ship if the officer or watch does not respond or he or she is incapable of performing the watch duties inefficiently. Now why do we need this bridge alarm system? There have been many incidents in the past wherein ships have collided or grounded due to wrong decision or inefficiency in taking a decision at the correct time. If during an emergency situation, a navigational officer is not capable of handling that situation, it can lead to devastating scenarios. To avoid this, bridge alarm system is installed on the bridge which acts similar to a dead man alarm in the engine room. Now we would like to recognize the people who worked on this presentation including Shahriar Hossain Rafi and Muhammad Imran Khan. The contents we are going to cover in this presentation are introduction, components, system building, simulation, how does it work, and conclusion. Here comes the introduction part. The circuit has been built is bridge alarm system. The bridge alarm system is a self-contained device that sounds an alert. The purpose of the bridge alarm system is to monitor bridge activity and detect operator disability. The components to build for bridge alarm systems are going to be 4 AND gates, 3 OR gates, pulse voltage, ground, and connecting wires.
Assalamu alaikum sir, myself MD Imran Khan, and I will discuss about that how we build the system here. To build the system we needed 4 2 input AND gates and 3 uh, 2 input OR gate. So we took 4 input here. At first the first input was added to the first output of the AND gate here, and the second input of the second input was added to the first input of the first AND gate, and the third input was added to the second input of the second AND gate here, and the fourth input was added to the second input of the second OR gate here, you can see. And then for the second input of the first AND gate we added from the fourth input here. And for the second input of the first OR gate here we added from the third input here. And for the first input of the second AND gate, for the second AND gate we added from the second input here. And for the first input of the second OR gate here we added from the first input. And then the outputs of the first and OR gate was here added to the third AND gate, and the output of the uh, second second OR gate, second AND gate and OR gate was added to the fourth AND gate. And then finally the third AND gate and fourth AND gate was added to the uh, third OR gate. So that's how we build the system, and this is our simulation here. So where the rest of the part we will discuss MD Shahriar Hossain Rafi. That's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahriar Hossain Rafi. My ID is 20425281. This is our digital logic circuits presentation. Our topic is bridge alarm system. Now I'm going to talk about how our system works. So this is our simulation. This simulation has been built according to the circuit diagram. This build will work if there are more than 2 inputs, then the output will be high, but if there are 2 or less inputs, then the output will be low. Here in the simulation, 0 in input column means that a car is not passing by the bridge, and 1 means a car is passing by the bridge. So according to the logic, if more than 2 cars pass by the bridge at a time, the alarm will respond. But if 2 or less than 2 cars pass by the bridge at a time, then the alarm will not respond. So here is the first simulation. We can see that we have given 3 input valued 1 and 1 input valued 0, that which means that 3 cars are passing by the bridge at a time. So that's why the light is on, which means the alarm will respond. But in the second simulation we have given 2 input valued 1 and 2 input valued 0, which means that 2 cars are passing by the bridge at a time. That's why the light is off, which means the alarm will not respond. Now to the conclusion part. So this system was built to save lives by preventing bridge accidents. As we all know that some bridges are not strong enough to hold many cars at a time. So this system can aware us from our safety by letting limited amount of cars passing by the bridge at a time. That's all from me. Thank you very much.